Hello everyone. So we have this very interesting question of quadratic equation with us today. In this, we need to find the minimum value of this expression, quadratic expression, and we are given these four options with us. So let's see how we can find it. First of all, we will be writing this quadratic expression in a different way. We can write this as plus 4 plus 7. So what I've done is I've broken this 11 into two parts, 4 and 7. I will tell you why. Now, once I've broken this, I can rewrite this part of the expression in a different way. This becomes x minus 2 whole square. Yes, I'm using the algebraic identity a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So in this case, it will become x square plus 4 minus 4x, x minus 2 whole square, correct? Now look at this part, specifically this part, okay? If you have, let's say, a square, what will be the minimum value of this a square? The minimum value is 0. Yes. Why? Because if you place any negative number also at place of a, you will get a positive number because of the square. Yes. The minimum value that you can get is 0. Similarly, if you look at this part, what you will get? The minimum value for x minus 2, minimum value for x minus 2 whole square will be equals to 0, and this will be at point at x equals to 2. Yes, if you place x as 2, you will get x minus 2 whole square as 0. Apart from 2, you put any value, you will get more than 0. You will get more than 0. Okay. Now at x equals to 2, x minus 2 whole square is minimum, that is 0. That means what will be the minimum value? The minimum value will be 7 in that case. At x equals to 2, let me write it down. At x equals to 2, x minus 2 whole square plus 7 will become what? This will become 0. Yes, this will become 0, and we will get 0 plus 7 as 7. So 7 will be the minimum value. That will be our final answer. And this will be when x is equals to 2. When x is 2, this will become 0. This bracket will become 0, and we will get plus 7 only. So 7 will be the minimum value. Now, apart from x equals to 2, you put any value. This bracket will be more than 0. And if it is more than 0 and added to 7, definitely it will be more than 7. Correct? So the minimum value is 7, and A option will be our final answer.